喂喂喂喂喂喂喂喂喂喂喂喂喂喂喂！叮当咕哩咕哩咕哩，我的叮当咕，叮当咕，叮当咕哩咕哩咕哩，我的叮当咕，叮当咕啊么，叮当咕哩咕哩咕哩，我的叮当咕，叮当咕，watch me，叮当咕哩咕哩咕哩，我的叮当咕，叮当咕。
Want to sing like Hatsune Miku? Here's how to make your own AI cover in seconds using Vozard. Step 1. Launch Vozard. You can upload audio or video, or even record in real time with your mic. Upload your voice recording, song, or any video. Vozard supports MP3, WAV, and MP4 formats. Turn on the vocal enhancement to let it sound more realistic. Now, choose the Hatsune Miku AI voice. One click and your voice turns into Vocaloid magic. You can even use real-time voice change to sing live as Miku, perfect for streaming, covers, or content creation. Try Vozard now and create your own Hatsune Miku AI cover today. Link in the description.